and this is an example, I can't use the customer's name, but an example we came across with a client in Romania. They had a particular card they were using. It was a component of a GSM base station. They were able to make 600 pieces per shift. And, there was a significant lag in test as a number of devices were being programmed prior to test. So we sat down with them. We said, okay, we will charge you per chip for the pre-programming, but what do you get for that? And I mean, if you think of, in a very simplistic notion, that's 600 pieces that they make per shift. Every piece of overhead in the entire factory is divided by that output. It's the only thing the factory produces. So every buyer, every plant manager, every ops guy, the guy who's the security guys in the car park, all of that cost is divided over the 600 units. We sat down, and by the time we had offloaded the pre-programming, the beat rate went to 650.
Okay.
Now there's a significant difference in the cost per unit when you can do that. Now we do charge per unit, so you must factor that back in. It's not all one-way gain, but there's a net benefit to every customer in the cases where there's a significant reduction in test time. Now, if the test time is if the programming time is a trivially small part of your overall test time, it's probably not a factor.
Yeah.
But that's not often the case, and we have a very cost-effective way of programming because it's usually quicker to program at a chip level than at a board level. So sometimes even where we would see fast programming times, that's not what the manufacturer sees in circuit. So that's typically the difference between the two, or maybe as good an example as I could give of where you'd see a benefit.